IPR Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjan has stated that the government is taking up all necessary steps to remove illegal bunkers set up in the different parts of the state. Responding to queries from the media on the sidelines of the World Deaf Day observance held at Classic Grande yesterday, the minister said that the government is observing the situation closely and taking up every measure to restore peace and normalcy in the state, with Chief Minister Ann Biren closely monitoring the situation by holding meetings with ministers, MLAs and senior officials on daily basis. As part of the measures taken up to resolve the crisis and restore peace, security forces are dismantling illegal bunkers in different parts of the state, and if there are any new bunkers in any part of the state, the government will remove them, he said. Regarding an unconfirmed report of an initiative to hold peace dialogue with a UG group, the minister said that he has no idea of any such arrangement. If there is such an arrangement, it will be declared by the government officially. As of now, there is no such thing, he added.